Hello guys, today I'm playing Bloxburg and I'm gonna work for a few minutes and I'm gonna show you around my house, so see you when I get back. Okay guys, I didn't decide to work that long, so I made $4,000 almost. So I'm gonna give you a tour of my house. Ooh. So right here is my house. Hold on, put my stuff up. And to show you that it is my house, well, it doesn't say on the mailbox, first of all. And if I just go to here, I go to build mode, boom, my house. So when you walk in, I have this right here, you see that? When you walk into a room, that will trigger all the lights in the room, turn on, but there's an enclosed space, say like this, it won't turn those on. But when I walk in this room, those lights turn off and these lights turn on. Same with almost every room except one in this house. So this is one bedroom. This is like a kid's bedroom. Oh, they didn't fix their bed. Sorry about my character, guys. I was playing with my friends and they wanted to do Bacon Gang, so. This is my kitchen. It's pretty small right now, but I'm going to expand later and put a lot more decorations, hopefully. Alright, so as you see, when I walk up, those lights turn off and these lights turn on. Only room that doesn't have it is this bathroom right here. It's cause these little two lights make it kind of romantic. I'm gonna walk in here, punch, boom boom, lift. Yeah. And then you have, I'm gonna add probably like another place or something, like another little room right there, like living room or second living room or something. But here's my recording studio, so same lights. Come in here, you got your toy car, your robot, your book, more books, picture, jack-o'-lantern, picture, mug, all that stuff. You got a telescope. This, I need to put like something on there. Sit down in my office chair and like watch you vlog. Read news. Man missing, last seen poking bomb. Wow, that's kind of messed up. But yeah, this is my Bloxburg home. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see my friends' houses or just pretty much a lot of people's houses. Maybe like some of the richest people in the server or something. I don't know. But I'll see you later. Bye.